What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I have a 2024 Toyota 4Runner with me, and what we are going to be replacing is the yellow dingy DRL light that you see right here. It's going to go from this halogen bulb to this monochrome VLED bulb, which is way higher performance output, and it's going to look clean and white just like we have on the driver's side here. So installing these are going to be super easy. This is how it comes with the bulb. It has a fan on the back to keep heat down. It has this module, which I'm not exactly sure what it does, but at the end, it has two connections. One is going to be the same connector that is specific for the 4Runner. The other one is capped off for the resistor. So this is the VLR15. It is a full plug and play resistor. So you will just uncap it and then plug the resistor straight into the bulb. Now, I haven't seen anybody else do this on the market, so it's extremely smart that VLEDs did this. So basically, you would just connect this one here, which is factory, and then just find a location for the resistor to mount. And they provide double-sided sticky tape, so you can pretty much mount it anywhere you want. So this is the back of the passenger side. Driver's side looks exactly the same, but obviously with the battery next to it instead. So what you'll do is just twist it, pull it out, and this is what it will look like. Just the old school halogen bulb. The clip is right there. We'll squeeze that and pull it off. Then grab your VLED's bulb, connect that in, and then before you put it back, you can test it out, make sure it works. So on the bulb itself, there are going to be these three tabs here. You'll want to line that up with the back of the headlight housing. You'll feel it drop in. Once you feel that, you can push it in a little bit and turn it to lock it in place. Then you will need to pretty much find a location to tape down both this module here and the resistor. Since the module is pretty short, you could just get away with just leaving it there and just zip tying it somewhere, but they do provide you with double-sided tape for both the module and the resistor if you wanted to tape both of them down. So next to the headlight, there's actually this like raised square shaped piece on the body, on the sheet metal. So almost the same size as this. So what we're going to do is we're going to double-sided tape that right there. So what I have is just some rubbing alcohol and a clean rag. I'm going to clean off that area just to make it clean, so that way it doesn't fall off. And if you want to, you can clean the back of the resistor as well, and then apply your double-sided tape. Once applied, you can then go ahead and pull off the other side, and then we're going to tape it, probably wire down. And then apply some pressure for a couple seconds. And then with the extra wires, VLEDs provides you with zip ties as well. So I'm going to probably just zip tie it right here next to the factory harness. So there we have it. We have just installed both sides, probably under 5 minutes if you were to do this yourself at home. Super easy install just because the bulb is so easy to reach. And with the full plug and play kit from VLEDs, they make it extremely easy to achieve this crisp, white, cleaner look on your truck. So if you want to further modernize your 5th gen 4Runner and make it look cleaner, this is an easy mod to do so. So we'll have the product link down in the description if you wanted to pick it up for your 4Runner. But that's gonna be it. Hopefully you guys are subscribed to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.